YouTube has made it so easy for all of its users to now be able to look at their analytics and completely understand what's working and what's not working on their channel. What's so neat about this is they implemented a chat bot or chat app within the platform called Ask Studio. And what's really cool about this is now you can just click on, well, first you go to your YouTube studio, you go down to your analytics here, and that's how you get here. But at the top, you should see a question from AI. How did viewers find my content? Asking you that question. How many new viewers did I reach? Which is very important. But then even better, summarize your latest video. And so I clicked on this, and then this Ask Studio popped up. And you can obviously, follow this instruction and add a video title and then speak to it that way. But since I clicked this button, summarize my latest performance here, it was that YouTube timestamp web app I created. It also breaks down what's working and where there are opportunities to grow specific to that video. So I thought it was pretty cool that it even picked up, on the view duration within the video. Um, it even mentioned a comment that was made on the video. I thought that was pretty cool. I looked back at that comment to verify, and it's correct. And then the fact that it even references things that you actually spoke about in the video. So I thought that that was so neat. And then I was more interested in the opportunities of improvement because I wanted to see, based off of how I did this video and did the voiceover, how did it actually sound from its perspective? And it was pretty um humbling, I'll say that, because it actually tells you like where your drop off was, and mine dropped off very quickly within the first 10 seconds even. And what I really loved about this was it even picked up on what I said. And I did say, welcome to a live demo. I really liked the fact that it picked up on what I was talking about and then actually gives you valid advice on how to improve it. And then it picks up on the hesitation in my voice or the narration. So that tells me, okay, I need to perhaps use a script and practice a bit more and maybe not be so on the fly, and maybe try doing a few more versions of the voiceover. Simple. And then at the bottom, it says there is a slight rise in retention at the very end as you wrap up. This is a perfect moment to suggest another productivity tool or ask viewers which features they want to see added next to keep them within the channel's ecosystem. And that's brilliant. Even below here, you can even see recommendations on testing thumbnails too, which is awesome. And then this is my my biggest improvement, of course, because I don't even like the way I introed it, to be honest. But it says to refine the first 15 seconds. For your next demo, try a problem solution hook. State the frustration of manual timestamping immediately to better align with the audience's intent for clicking. Genius. Makes sense because if you just hear something like, oh, clear eyes, or something so boring, so to speak, you won't watch it either, right? I like that it's brutally honest, and this is actually going to help the channel succeed in the end. So I think that this is so amazing, and I wanted to share it with you. Now, if you stayed to the end of this video, I truly, truly appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching for this long. And I appreciate you so much so that I wanted to let you know firsthand that I also created a prompt stack specifically for this feature within YouTube. So what you'll find is it's in the description box, or you can comment the word ask and I'll send it to you. But within it, you'll find prompts that you can actually copy from the guide and then put it within Ask Studio inside your YouTube channel so that you can actually have it do even more heavy lifting for you. Not only just understand what your analytics is telling you, but also have it help you improve future uploads and future builds. And it could even include offering ideas on products that you can actually sell that, based off of the data on your channel, your viewers would actually like. So if you're interested, again, it's in the description box below, or you can comment the word ask and I'll send it to you. Or if you see the QR code, go ahead and scan that QR code and you'll be able to get access to it. And again, thank you so much for staying to the end of the video. I truly appreciate you.